Hello everyone, I am Shobha Dhande from College Finder. I am working as a data science intern in College Finder team. Firstly, I would like to thank College Finder team for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present my rock paper scissor project in front of you all. I am very glad to join College Finder team. They provide wonderful opportunity, courses plus internship in Python, data science, and so many domains for every computer science engineer. Okay, so let's move towards our today's project, that is rock paper scissors. So let's write the code for that. Okay, so firstly we will open the Jupyter notebook, and after that we will write here rock paper scissors. Okay. Okay. So we will start. So let's start our code. So firstly, I will import random library. Okay. So what is the purpose of importing this library? The purpose of importing this library is that we will take the input from our computer. Okay. As our second user. In next line, we will use print statement. Okay. Print statement for printing rock paper scissors. Rock paper scissors. Okay. And then again we will use print statement, and we will print phrase one for rock. Next line, phrase two for paper, and at last phrase three for scissor. Okay. This will be printed in our output stream. Okay, this two print statement. Okay, so and next line we will initialize four variables. First is user, and we will initialize user computer and type with 0. User with 0, computer with 0, type with 0. Okay, and also initialize I with 1. Okay, so what is the purpose of initialize these three variables? The purpose of initializing these three variables is that in the last of the game, we will use these three variables. How? When? So, user here is the using of these three variable is that we will find that how many times a user is win, and how many times a computer is win, and how many times the match is start. Okay, this is the purpose of using these three variables. Okay, and the purpose of initializing this variable, initializing the I is that we will use this variable for our while loop. Okay, so here we use while loop, and we put condition that if value of I is less than equals to 5, then our inner code will be executed. Okay, and if this condition will be false, then our inner code will not be executed. Okay, so let's write the inner code. Okay, so firstly we will take as a user input as their choice. Here I have taken input enter your choice. Okay, this is the user input. So let's take the input of computer. Okay, here we will take the computer input. We will take computer input from this library. Okay, we will use the rent integer function from of this library. So let's write random dot rand integer. Okay, we will provide the range as a parameter in this function. Okay, so we will provide 1 to 3. It will select the value from these 3 value. Okay, maybe it can be 1 or maybe it's 2 or maybe 3. So in next line we will put the condition if choice equals to 1 and computer equals to 3. Okay, this is our first computation. This is our first condition. What is the meaning of this condition is that user choose the rock as their choice, and our computer choose the scissor as their choice. Okay, so our next condition is in that is choice equals to 2 and computer equals to 1. Okay, this is our second choice. That means our user choose the paper, okay, and our computer choose the rock as their choice. Our next condition is that choice equals to 3 and computer equals to 2. Okay, so in this 3 condition, any of the condition is true, so our user will be win. Okay, so here we read congrats, you win. Okay, so we will put here next condition, else if. Condition is that if computer equals to 1 and choice equals to क्या आ जाएगा? Here choice equals to 3. This is our first condition. Okay, for winning as a computer. So that means computer choose the rock as their choice and user choose the scissor as their choice. And next condition is that or computer equals to 2 and choice equals to 1. Okay, this is our second condition. That means computer choose the paper as their choice and our user choose the rock as their choice. And our third condition is that computer equals to 3 and choice equals to either 2. Okay, here I wrote mistake. Okay, So when any of these any of them in this, any condition is true, that means our computer win the game. Okay, congrats. Sorry, yeah, here we no need to write congrats. Okay, computer win. And at last there is else condition. That means if this these both conditions are false, so there is tie in the match. Print tie. Okay, this is our else condition. So here we have need to increment the value of I, because here we have not used while loop, for loop. Sorry. Okay, so he will, sorry, I plus equals to 1. So this is our inner code. This code will be executed when this condition is true. Okay, and when this condition is false, this while loop will be stopped. So after stopping of this while loop, we will print. Okay, here we have to add one more things. Okay, we will count the value, how many times our user win, how many times our computer win, how many times the matches try. Okay, so we will increase the value user plus equals to 1, computer plus equals to 1, and here tie plus equals to 1. Okay, so here we print using F string total winning. Okay, so total winning is how many times you win the match. Here I'm to use, okay, here then we will use user point. Okay, user variable user, and next line we will print computer win. That's right. Okay, in here we will take a computer variable that will give the value that how many times our computer win the match. Okay, and we have need to also print how many times the match is done. Tie. Okay, tie matches. So value of tie is t. Okay, this is our this is the print statement. Okay, so here we will use if else condition again. Why? Let me tell you. If value of user is greater than computer, so that means Okay, so here we will write you win the series. Okay, and in next line we will take else if condition, and which if user value is less than the computer value. So that's mean our computer in the series. Okay, else condition is that print series tied. Okay, no one win the match. Okay, so this is our rock paper scissors code. So let's run this code. So he wants our choice. Okay, so we will give 1 as our choice. I won the miss. It show one error. Let's see what is the error. Yeah, here I wrote CMP. We know that this Python language is case sensitive. Okay, so we need to write proper code. So let's run this again. Enter your choice. I will enter 1, then I will enter 2, 3, 1, 2. Again, okay, let me check. I have to done again mistake. Okay. So let's run again this 1, 1, 2, 3. See here. Here is the tie of match. Okay. Again, I have 1. Okay, and then giving the choice 2. So here see that I win this series. Okay, this is the rock paper scissor code. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, anything else? Nothing. Okay, so at last I would like to thanks everybody that you are taking your precious time and watched my video. Okay, and I also want to thanks College Finder team for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.